What's up guys, Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and today we're bringing you another 3.7 liter Mustang. This one of course is turbocharged. Bam! So we got another Grabber Blue S197 looking awesome. Another hood dump looking sick. This is Brian. This is his car. So how much horsepower are we gonna go for, Brian? 600 horsepower, my goodness. We're on the 85, I think we can do it. Won't be that hard. Just turn the boost up a little bit and we'll be good. Yeah. Guys, so I went ahead and did an update on it. That last run was 571, 552. It was roughly 10-ish PSI. I don't 100% watch it because I really just need to make sure it doesn't go over 14, 15, and I'm watching knock and air-fuel ratio and everything else. As long as that's good, we're pretty much gravy. As long as it doesn't go like 20 pounds moon boost, we're fine. So I'm going to watch it a little more this time because we turned it up just a tad bit. Try and get a little closer to that 600 horsepower mark for him and then send him home. I gotta make this thing pop. It didn't pop. It kept going, well, it didn't keep the injectors on like I wanted it to, but tell you what, 5,500 RPM two-step, that's spicy. That's really spicy. It was intense. I liked it. That is an N2MB watt box on an automatic. We're also doing one on David Sosa's car. It's gonna be cool, so stay tuned. We might get some flames on this one. Guys, we're gonna engage the selfie cam. Here you go. You're gonna hold it. All right. Since I'm driving on your first rip. All right, guys. We'll do it from a launch here. And this is 273 gears, so. What did his face look like? Was it good? I hope it was good. I'll let him drive it now. Alrighty guys, so his first time driving it. Let's just take it easy. I'll tell you where you can go and when to hit it, okay? So just drive it easy for right now. The cool thing about these cars, guys, is that even with the hood dump, you can drive relatively normal, like it's nothing. We can have the AC on, no big deal. We're just cruising around, not a big deal whatsoever. We'll just get up here, we got another little straightaway, and then we'll let him make a rip. Alrighty guys, yeah, when you get past that second one, then go ahead and you can lay into it. It'll downshift on its own, you should be good. And just drive right down the middle of the road. Alright, alright. Give her the beans.
That's awesome.
Look at that face. Yeah, she's a ripper.
Oh yeah. Sounds amazing.
And it rips.
Oh, yeah.
And it's quick, guys. Abdullah's not Abdullah. Well, yeah, Abdullah's car is fast too, but Raul, the last one we just did, it was pretty fast too. And this one's pretty fast too. They're all pretty fast because, yeah, we're getting pretty good at parking them right around just below the 600 mark so they can stay a little bit safer, but woo! Spicy. They're quick.
Oh yeah.
This is 273 gears.
Yeah.
We were moving. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Alrighty, we'll get back and you gotta go tell his mom how the ride was. So was that, what'd you say?
It just puts you down into the seat.
Yeah, it does. That's the torque. Once that
Oh,
boost
yeah.
comes in, that was about 11.5 PSI maybe touch 12. But yeah, was it faster or slower than you thought it would be?
Way faster.
Way faster?
Yeah.
Worth the money?
Oh yeah.
All day. All day. How long have you owned this car?
Almost. It's been about a year.
Almost a year.
Yeah.
And he's already making 550 plus 580 horsepower, 500 plus foot-pounds of torque. It's a good rip. It's a good car. Automatic 273s. It's pretty sweet. And that two-step is something else. Give mom a two-step, not yet. All right, two-step it.
Are you ready?
Hold on, I gotta get here.
You got it.
Mom ran.
But I didn't hear you until you came around the corner.
Yeah.
And that's awesome. Thank you.
Not a problem. It's I told him he has to be safe. He can't go get in a wreck and make me feel guilty because I gave him too much power.
Exactly.
Not cool. He's got to drive it safe. Take it to the track. All right, guys. That's it for today. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. This is another 580 horsepower V6. You're welcome. We're going to keep pumping them out. We'll see you later. We're going to do mom's selfie cam. She's taking a test drive. We've turned it down all the way to wastegate.
Here we go.